Welcome back. Now, when you put your sales page together, you're going to be getting traffic from affiliates. You might be getting traffic from the platform. You might be getting traffic from places that you actually drove. And so not all these people are going to be your customers. And so one of the things you're going to want to assume is that some people are just not going to be ready to buy. And that means that you're going to want to use an exit pop. So we're going to go inside of the page settings inside of Optimize Press. And in Optimize Press, this is called an exit redirect. Now, it may be called something different in your page builder. But basically what you're going to be doing is you want to make sure that when someone leaves your page, that they get a message and that they get a redirect to another page. And this is where you're going to give them an offer, an opt-in offer, some kind of very enticing offer that they have to put in their name and email address in order to get. So you want to put your best opt-in here, and you also want to make sure that whatever this offer is, that it's highly relevant to what brought them to the page. And again, these are things that you can test, but you want to get the opt-in if the person decides to leave your page. And you can do that by redirecting them to a URL where you have an offer that is already in place. Now, your page builder may not have that script built in, but you can actually place that script into a location like this other scripts area where it will actually execute the exit pop for you. So you can purchase these scripts. There's actually one included with this course. And so you can use those scripts in order to use your HTML pages, or you can do it inside of some of those page builders that will not execute an exit pop. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.